Hey, what's up? Big Joe here. This is my friend Laura. Boy, does she have a trick for you.
That's a 2024 Cadillac CT4.
Boy, is she good. Hey, Laura, here's another one.
All right, Joe, I'm ready.
All right, Laura, here we go.
Got it. 2019 Benz CLS 450 Formatic. How'd I do?
Well, I'll tell you what, Laura, you get any more of these right, they're gonna be going Marissa Tomei who. All right, Laura, here's another one.
Oh, I know. 2022 BMW X4.
You know, this is incredible.
Oh, I'm not done. Alpine white with burgundy interior.
Now you're just showing off, Laura. All right, Laura, I got a tough one for you now.
Okay, try me. 2022 BMW X7 M50i with gray metallic and ivory white merino leather.
I told you she's the best. So do yourself a favor, come down to Northstar Mitsubishi and let's see if you're as good as Laura.
See you later.